And I am so happy to introduce our newest family member.
Okay, cut. Hey, you're not supposed to tell him what it is.
Why not?
I'm gonna have to censor all that out.
Why?
Cause it's a secret, bro.
Why is it a secret?
You're just supposed to end the video. Okay, hey, let's try it again. Put it away. Let's try again. Try and keep the secret.
And my barbecue sauce.
Okay, cut. Do you see the part here where secret sauce?
What are you doing about this? You trying to blur it?
Okay. Yeah.
I don't understand.
I told you he's from the 80s. It never works. This never works.
Technically, it's the 70s.
Okay.
And I'd like to introduce our newest secret sauce to the lineup.
Okay, cut. Why don't we try this?
Matt, beer me.